Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Ford Expedition brake light. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked with the engine off and the parking brake set. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a new 3157 bulb for this task. This is a straightforward repair that most people can do at home, and it usually takes less than 15 minutes. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's access the tail light assembly. Open your Ford Expedition's tailgate to reveal the two retaining screws on the inner edge of the tail light. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove both of these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle. It should slide out without much force, revealing the bulb sockets. With the tail light assembly free, it's time to replace the faulty bulb. Locate the brake light bulb socket, which is usually the larger one. Twist the socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it from the assembly. Then, simply pull the old 3157 bulb straight out of the socket. Take your new 3157 bulb and push it firmly into the socket until it's seated correctly. It's a simple plug-and-play process. Finally, let's put everything back together. Reinsert the bulb socket into the tail light assembly, twisting it clockwise to lock it securely. Carefully align the tail light assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle and push it firmly back into place. Reinstall the two retaining screws you removed earlier, tightening them with your Phillips head screwdriver. Don't forget to test your new brake light to confirm it's working correctly before you hit the road. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.